The fire started in the middle of the night, August 5th, 2020. When it was over, 5 people inside this Truckee Street house were killed, including a 2-year-old girl and a 6-month-old girl. Police quickly determined that the blaze was intentionally set, but the case was completely cold for several months until Google led them to 3 teenagers, 16-year-old Kevin Bowie, 16-year-old Gavin Seymour, and a 15-year-old charged as a juvenile.
Anytime the police are broadly looking at all kinds of data for all kinds of things, it's a really scary prospect.
Police say based on the results of a search warrant they served on Google, they learned that the 3 teenage suspects searched the exact address of the Truckee Street house multiple times in the 2 weeks before the fire.
The number of these kind of requests is just skyrocketing.
According to prosecutors, a computer app that the teens used to locate Bowie's stolen phone mistakenly led them to search and then burn down the Truckee Street house. In court on Friday, Seymour's attorney argued that the search warrant was far too broad and violated the Fourth Amendment's protections against unreasonable searches and seizures and should not be allowed as evidence at trial. CU criminal law professor Aya Gruber says Friday's hearing raises a number of important and complicated issues.
So there is a world in which the court could both find that this was an illegal search, but still pursue the suspects with the evidence they found in their home and other evidence they found through investigation.
A decision from the judge on the motion to suppress the Google search results is expected at the end of October. The trial could begin sometime in January. Kim?
This case has been a long time coming for many reasons, Matt. So what if the judge says, no, you can't use that Google data? What happens to the prosecutor's case?
Outstanding question. Every indication is that the prosecution will go ahead with their case, but it will clearly affect their strategy at trial.
Yeah, might change completely. Thank you, Matt.